to walk down to Erlang.
Fuipicia Fall.
Okay.
You wanna wait to see the Fuipicia Fall?
Yeah.
Not far from over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Họ phía lều lọ. Ngã lọ.
Ja, på alle ordene som mulig.
I'm swimming here. Ngã lọ. What?
Yeah. Hey.
Dale, saltalo.
Hi.
Yay! Yay!
Wonderful.
Jane, wonderful.
Ah, così.
A jungle.
Waterfall. First waterfall seen in Samoa.
I can see it.
Right
Why
on the
does he say
bank.
hello? Hey.
Questo qua.
Here,
Come fai se se fai? Dove sta sta pa uo qui. Qui sia.
Too deep. It's there. Mom, the last mouse got me. I want to go shower. This is very lovely. Yeah? Whoa. Hola. Hola. Wow.
Fuipicia Fall.
In the jungle.
Green Chris. Just behind those trees there. Jumping through the walkway. So the river comes. Flows down here. The water right there. Long way down.
Waterfall na I Fuipicia Waterfall, Lotopanga. And Mike is standing on the top of the waterfall right now. Beautiful. Oh, wow. This might be Yeah. Hi. Kristen.
Chris. Chris. Hello. Hello. Bye, Chris.
Bye.
Yeah, come on. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.